Hello, welcome to Learn Cantonese with Joy. Today we are learning where do you come from in Cantonese. Let's go! Today we meet some new friends. After the introduction, you are very curious and think, where do my new friends come from? The question where do you come from in Cantonese is 你係邊度人啊? 你 you 係 to be 你係 you are 邊度 where 人 person 邊度人 person from where model particle for questions. The answer is easy. People can come from a city. For example, 我係柏林人啊. I'm a person from Berlin. 我 I 係 to be 我係 I am 柏林 Berlin 人 person 柏林人 person from Berlin model particle for statement. People can also come from a country. People can say 我係德國人啊. I'm a German. 我 I 係 to be 我係 I am 德國 Germany 人 person 德國人 German model particle for statement. Here are some more vocabulary. 香港人 Hong Kong 啊. 瑞士人 Swiss 奧地利人 Austrian 英國人 British 美國人 American 加拿大人 Canadian 澳洲人 Australian 日本人 Japanese 韓國人 Korean 新加坡人 Singaporean 馬來西亞人 Malaysian 印尼人 Indonesian 菲律賓人 Filipino. Here are the dialogues. Dialogue 1. 你係邊度人啊? Where do you come from? 我係香港人啊. I come from Hong Kong. Dialogue 2. 你係邊度人啊? Where do you come from? 我係美國人啊. I come from America. Dialogue 3. 你係邊度人啊? Where do you come from? 我係日本人啊. I come from Japan. Now both you and your friends know where each other comes from. That's all for today. Bye bye.